Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you carbon oxygen bound. Let me see what is carbon oxygen bound. It is a chemical carbon oxygen bound. Let me see. A carbon oxygen bound is a polar covalent bond between atom of carbon and oxygen. Carbon oxygen bonds are found in many organic compounds such as carbon. There is all is about. Let me see. A carbon oxygen bond is a polar covalent bond between atoms of carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen bonds are found in many inorganic compounds such as carbon oxide and oxohalides, carbonates and metal carbonyls, and inorganic compounds such as alcohol, ether, carbon compound and oxalide. Where the carbon oxygen double bond C double bond O occurs in a organic compound, it is called a carbonyl group. The simplest compound contains this group is methanol. Coordinate covalent bond. What is mean of CO bound? Carbon monoxide has a triple covalent bond in which two are normal covalent bonds and one is additive bound. A additive bond itself is a coordinated covalent. Here oxygen shares its lone pair of electrons with carbon, making a coordinate covalent bond. Carbon and oxygen can be bounded with single, double or triple covalent bonds. Single bonds are when an oxygen atom and a carbon atom such two electrons. Double bonds between oxygen and carbon atom involve two shared electrons. Triple bonds are three shared electrons. Carbon has the valency 4, answer oxygen have the valency 2, so it requires more two electrons to complete its octet. Therefore, carbon attached by oxygen by two bound. Carbon oxygen bonds are found in many inorganic compounds such as carbon oxides and oxyhalates, carbonates and metal carbonates, and inorganic compounds such as alcohol, ether, carbonyl compound and oxalates. Note that carbon dioxide has two covalent bonds between each oxygen atom and the carbon atom, which is shown here as two lines and refers to as double bond. When the molecules are systematically, however, the atoms pull equally on the electrons and the charge distribution is uniform. Systematic molecules are non-polar. Four types of bond in chemical chemistry. Four main bounding types are discussing here: ionic, covalent, metallic, and molecular. Hydro-bonded solid system such as ice made up another category that is important in a few crystals. The carbon monoxide molecule is correctly represented by a triple covalent bond between the carbon and oxygen atoms. One of the bonds is coordinative covalent bond, a covalent bond in which one of the atom contributes both of the electrons in the shared pair. CO has a triple bond, hence has strongest CO bound. CO2 and HCHO have a double bond between C and O, weaker than that is CO. In CO there is a triple bond between C and O. Out of these three bonds, two are formed by share of electrons, covalent bond between C and O, and one bond is a coordinated bond in which the oxygen donates its lone pair of electrons to the carbon atoms. Bonds between carbon and other elements such as oxygen and nitrogen are polar. The polarity of a bond depends on the electron activities of the bounded atoms. I hope guys you understand this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please guys subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much guys.